Deep cleaning on Acer Aspire V5 laptop. Thank you, ma'am Dion, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. The customer's decision to bring in the Acer Aspire V5-573G for deep cleaning is both timely and technically sound. As an aging system, this model is prone to dust accumulation around its cooling fan, heat sink, and internal vents, areas critical to maintaining optimal thermal performance. Over time, such buildup can lead to increased operating temperatures, thermal throttling, and potential component degradation. A thorough internal cleaning restores proper airflow, improves cooling efficiency, and helps preserve key hardware like the CPU, GPU, and motherboard. For a unit with a dedicated GPU and limited ventilation by design, preventive maintenance like this significantly reduces the risk of overheating and extends the overall functional lifespan of the device. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.